Hi, I'm El Simone, and today I'm going to show you the coolest way to make a full breakfast: eggs, sausage, toast, and home fries in only one pan. The first ingredient is Yukon Gold potatoes, cut into 1-inch pieces. Drizzle the potatoes with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Toss them until they are combined. Spread the potatoes into an even layer on a rimmed baking sheet that has been sprayed with vegetable oil spray. Bake at 475 degrees with your oven rack in the middle position until the potatoes are spotty brown on the tops and sides, about 20 minutes. While the potatoes bake, evenly spread 2 tablespoons of butter onto one side of 4 slices of hearty white bread. Use a 2.5-inch biscuit cutter or a sturdy drinking glass of similar diameter to cut a circle from the center of each bread slice. Make sure to save the cutout bread rounds. 20 minutes are up, and it's time to remove the baking sheet from the oven and add the second ingredient, sausage. Distribute the sausages over the potatoes. It's okay if some fall onto the sheet. You can use raw breakfast sausage links or fully cooked frozen links. Both types cook in the same amount of time. Return the sheet to the oven and bake until the sausages are lightly browned on top, about 12 minutes. The sausages on top brown nicely since they're slightly elevated in the circulating hot oven air, while those buried at the bottom continue to brown from contact with the sheet. Using a metal spatula, push the potatoes and sausages into a pile, occupying about 1/3 of the sheet. This creates enough room for the bread. Evenly spread 1 tablespoon of butter on the now empty part of the sheet and use the spatula to distribute it evenly. Place all the bread, buttered side up, flat on the sheet. Do not place the cutout bread rounds in the holes. You'll want to bake this until the bread is lightly toasted on the bottom, about 4 minutes. Remove the sheet from the oven one last time. Pre-toasting one side of the bread ensures that the toast and eggs finish at the same time. Flip all of the bread slices and the rounds in the pan. Then, carefully crack 1 egg into each bread hole. Season the eggs with salt and pepper. Bake 3 to 4 minutes until the yolks have clouded over but still give slightly when touched. Transfer the sheet to a wire rack and let it sit until the whites are completely set, about 2 minutes. You might call this egg in the peg, toad in the hole, birdie in the basket. Whatever you call it, it's easy and delicious. Serve and enjoy immediately. And don't worry, you only have 1 pan to clean. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button.